Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will unbox the Cult Beauty October 2020 goodie bag worth over £445, the best of 2020. Inside we have 25 items with 10 full-size products. Alright, let's dive in! And first product that we get is this makeup bag from Cult Beauty. Looks well. Second product is from Nsla Beauty Resurfacing Compound. Is a face serum, and here we get 10 ml of a product. I'm very curious about this product. Here we have a product from Versed, the Shortcut Overnight Facial Peel, and we get 15 ml of a product. Okay. Next we have a full-size product from the Inky List, Tranexamic Acid Overnight Treatment. I'm not familiar with tranexamic acid. I need to read more information about this product. Living Proof No Freeze Intense Moisture Mask. I love hair mask. Welcome! Here we have a gift card of £15 to spend on Cult Beauty site. Okay. Here is a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, Pillow Talk Diamonds, in the shade Pillow Talk Diamonds. It's a beautiful pink shade, beautiful shade. Next we have a product from Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I guess it's a travel size. Here we have a full-size product from Honest Beauty Lip Crayon Demi Matte in the shade Marsala. I'm happy to try something from this brand. As far as I know, Honest Beauty is a clean brand made by Jessica Alba, and the lip crayon color is really nice. Next is a mini from Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Next we have Superhero Mascara from It Cosmetic. It's a travel size mascara in black. Here we have a product by the brand Fresh Rose Face Mask, and we get 15 ml of a product. Fresh is a brand that I personally love, especially their soy face cleanser is amazing. I hope that and this mask will be on the level. Wonder Beauty Single Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. This mask will depuff, brighten and plump the look of fine lines. Sound like this mask will save my life. By Terry. I don't know if I spell it right. Baume de Rose Hydrating Sheet Mask. This mask contains rose oil to boost hydration. Okay. Here is another mask from Sweet Chef. Ginger Plus Vitamin C Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. Next is a full-size product from Sigmatic Superfood Serum with reishi. This serum will soften and smoothen your complexion. Here we have a mini from Glow Recipe, Pineapple C Brighten Serum. This serum contains 3 forms of vitamin C to smooth texture and even skin tone. Okay, we will see that. Here is an eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, Obsession Palette in Emerald. I love green eyeshadows. We will play with this palette. Looks gorgeous. Next product is by the brand Oskia, Renaissance Mask. We get 50 ml of a product, I guess it's a travel size. This mask will boost radiance, smooth and renew your skin. Sounds great. Here is a full-size product from the brand Nsla Beauty, So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil in Peach Vanilla. Great. This is a product that I really want to try. It's a sunscreen from Supergoop, Unseen Sunscreen, with SPF 30, and we have 50 ml of a product, just enough to test it. Welcome! Next is a product from the brand Drunk Elephant, Lala Retro Whipped Cream, and we get 5 ml of a product. Here is a full-size mascara by the brand Iconic London, Triple Treat Mascara in black. Dr. Barbara Sturm Face Cream. I heard a lot of good things about this brand, finally I will try it. And the last product that we find inside is from Dr. Denis Gross, Be Free Adaptive Superfood Stress SOS Eye Cream, and we get 5 ml of a product. And here are all the products found inside of Best of 2020 goodie bag from Cult Beauty. I'm not delighted with all the products, but a couple of them are just amazing. If you tried something from these products, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!